how to make upulum. So you put the amount you want in a microwave. And right now, I'm going to do 5 with 4 surrounding one in the middle. Okay. And then you record, or you do 1 minute of time. And then, yeah. And you just wait. So once your upulum is done, it should look something like this. Yummy. I want to eat them right now. So you just put them on a plate and enjoy. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and subscribe.